Local news for Wednesday the 1st of May. Entries open today for the Great New Zealand Pie Awards. You might remember Cleveland Bakery winning the Supreme Pie Award in 2014 for their lamb cutlet and kumara mash. Feedback on the draft positive ageing strategy is closing shortly. The strategy was developed by the 3 Wairarapa district councils and is to prepare for our rapidly ageing community. In the next 25 years, the number of Wairarapa residents aged over 65 is expected to increase by approximately 79%, so that'll be about 1 in 4 residents. From today, the opening hours of the South Wairarapa libraries will be extended by 2 hours to give ratepayers more of a chance and better access to library services. Martinborough extends on a Saturday, Greytown a Tuesday evening and Featherston a Thursday evening. And in sport, a First 15 Festival of Rugby takes place this weekend at Rathkill College as 12 teams from Gisborne to Wellington compete in the Transit First 15 Festival of Rugby. Games kicking off at 11 o'clock and will feature both Wairarapa and Rathkill College.